Hello everyone, once again welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And this is your host Victor. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make tortang talong na may tuna flakes or eggplant tuna flakes omelette. This is going to be very simple and easy to make, and everybody can make it in their own kitchen. And it's going to be very delicious and healthy as well. So I hope you guys would stick around with me until the very end of this video, and let's have fun together cooking this dish. Let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to grill our eggplants, and I don't have any indoor grill to use, so I'm just innovating here. I'm using my pan here, and this is already preheated. What I'm going to do at this point is to spread some olive oil in it, just to make sure that my eggplant wouldn't stick on the pan. And I'm going to use this brush here to kind of spread my olive oil in my pan here. Now what I'm going to do is to just line up my eggplant here. Well, basically what I'm trying to do here is to cook up my eggplants and try as much to brown like the skin part, so that it would be easy for us to remove the skin. And once the inside is cooked, then it's easy to mash it and mix the ingredients together. Now one very important step to do here, and you shouldn't skip it, is to poke holes in your eggplants. And you can use your knife or your fork. Now I'm just going to let this continue to cook up here, and once it is ready, I'm going to show it to you. And I've just finished grilling the eggplants here. And you know, when your eggplant is ready, when you see that the skin of it is starting to come off on its own, and as you poke the body of it, it's all soft all over. And what I'm going to do at this point is to peel it off and then mash it. So I've just finished peeling my eggplants, and this is now ready. And now we can proceed to sauteing our vegetables. So I'm switching to my other saute pan here, and this is already nice and hot. To this I'm going to add olive oil. And now that the olive oil is hot, I'm going to add my minced carrots. Now I'm starting with my carrots here because this is the toughest vegetable to cook here. And I'm going to season it with a bit of salt. I'm going to add olive oil in it. And now that my carrot is half cooked, I'm going to add my minced onion. Season with a bit of salt. And then to this, I'm going to add my 5 cloves of minced garlic. And now that my garlic is starting to release its fragrance, I'm going to add my minced red bell pepper. Season it with a little bit of salt, just a little bit. And at this point, what I'm going to do is to add my 2 cans of tuna flakes. Basically about 240 grams. So what I did here is to drain the liquid of it so that it becomes dry like this one. And this is what we want to do because we don't want our filling here to be watery. And then to this I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of premium fish sauce. Just going to spread it on my pan here. And to add more smoky flavor in it, I'm going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil. And then I'm going to sprinkle a bit of chili pepper. And cracked fresh pepper on it. Just give it a stir. Mix them well together. So our filling here is ready. What we're going to do right now is to take it off the pan and transfer it to a bowl. And we're just going to set this aside for now. What we're going to do at this point is to crack our eggs. So I'm basically using organic eggs here because this is what I have. But you can use any type of eggs. It doesn't have to be organic. And then I'm going to add a pinch of salt in this one. And then cracked fresh pepper on it. And then whisk it with the use of our fork here. And our egg is ready. And now we're switching back to our pan here, and this is already nice and hot, and I'm just adding enough olive oil in it. So this is my assembly line here. My eggplants here are ready. And and I've already initially masked and flattened them. And so what I'm going to do at this point is to take one of my eggplants, dip it here in my egg. So I'm just using my fork here to mash my eggplant together with my egg. And then I'm going to bring it over my pan and let it slide into my pan here. And then at this point, I'm going to spread my tuna filling on top of it. And then I'm going to add more of my whisked egg on top of my filling here. And then I'm going to use my spoon here to move my excess eggs to the top of my omelette. And then we're going to use our spoon to pour hot olive oil on top of our omelette. Just kind of help the top cook as well before we flip it over. And now that the bottom side is already cooked, we're going to flip it over using my wide turner here. And we're going to flip it carefully like this. And this first batch here is already cooked. What we're going to do is to take it off the pan, and our eggplant tuna flakes omelette is now cooked and ready to serve. And we're back here with our tortang talong with tuna flakes or eggplant tuna flakes omelette. I'm going to taste it right now. Awesome. The taste is really so good and it brings back childhood memories. So I hope you guys enjoyed what I've shared with you today and try it in your own kitchen. And please don't forget to write down your comments at the comment section below. Don't forget to also click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching today, and I do hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.